Welcome to this introduction on Agile Finance. Today, we are going to explore how we can transform financial practices to support Agile delivery, moving beyond the constraints of traditional annual budgeting. Let us start by looking at the problem. In many organizations, finance operates on an annual cycle. Budgets are created months in advance and locked in for the entire year. This creates a rigid system where spending is based on old assumptions, often leading to a use it or lose it mentality at the end of the year. This traditional approach creates a conflict. On the left, we have the old way, detailed upfront plans and fixed scope. On the right, the Agile way, adaptive planning and flexible scope. When you try to run an Agile team with rigid project funding, you get friction. Changes become failures instead of learning opportunities. So, what is Agile Finance? It is a mindset shift. It is about moving away from strictly controlling costs and towards optimizing value delivery. The core principles include continuous planning, a relentless focus on value, and close collaboration between finance and product teams. The first major shift is how we fund work. Instead of funding temporary projects where teams are formed and then disbanded, we fund value streams. This means funding long-lived, stable teams. We bring the work to the people, rather than bringing people to the work. The second shift is moving to dynamic rolling forecasts. Instead of setting a budget and forgetting it for 12 months, Agile organizations update their financial forecasts every quarter or even every month. This allows them to adjust based on actual data and changing market conditions. The third shift is about empowerment. In Agile Finance, finance sets the guardrails, which are the budget caps. Within those limits, the product owners and teams have the autonomy to decide exactly how to spend that money to maximize value, without needing approval for every single line item. Why should organizations make this change? First, speed. Decisions happen much faster. Second, adaptability. You can pivot funding quickly when opportunities arise. And third, transparency. Everyone can clearly see where the money is going and the value it is creating. If you want to get started, do not try to change everything at once. Step 1, pilot this with just one value stream. Step 2, invite your finance partners to your Agile ceremonies so they understand the work. And Step 3, try shifting to a quarterly forecasting cadence. To summarize, Agile Finance is about funding value streams instead of projects, using rolling forecasts instead of static budgets, and empowering teams with financial guardrails. These changes are essential for achieving true business agility. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.